to the nearest 10. Do not do this mistake. Do not do the mistake of rounding up from right to left. And then from here you get to the nearest 10, which is at this point. What many people do is that after assigning place values, units, tens, hundred, thousand, they say, okay, since we're dealing with the nearest 10, which is this 3, they start to round up from here. If you do that, you arrive at something like this. So this is more than 5, they round this up to 1, it becomes 7 here. They say this is also more than 5, they round it up again here, it becomes 5 here. And then they say this is more than 5 again, they round it up here, it becomes 4. So they say when they are rounding up to the nearest 10, the answer becomes 2140. This is wrong. To round this up to the nearest tenth, we simply deal with the number that is close to the 10, which is this one here. So we are not going to bother about all that we have here. These numbers here only have an effect on the last digit. They do not have an effect on other digits on this side. So since we are dealing with the nearest 10, we are dealing with this alone. So we start with the number next to it, which is 4. 4 is not up to 5, so we're going to round it down to 0. So this becomes 2130. This is our final answer to the nearest 10. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more math videos like this.